So today we are doing memory forensics. All processes use memory RAM or virtual memory to store core variables AEC. Analysis of the memory can be really helpful in recreating the chain of events and recovering important artifacts and information. In the incident response plan, the incident responder create memory dumps of a live machine to preserve the state of memory. This memory dump is then processed using various tools to extract information. What you will analyze the memory dump using volatility, extracting the binary from memory dump, investigating network information, program executed using memory dump. Okay, volatility basics, analyzing provide memory dump of the Linux machine using volatility. 2. To extract process list interface details commands. Volatility basics 2, malware analysis. Volatility basics Windows 2, binary. Okay, so we will start with volatility basics, and I will meet you when it machine is started. So we got the machine running up and running. Which command is used to list all profile supported by volatility? What is the name of profile which is present in Ubuntu Linux? Which command can be used to extract CPU details from the memory dump? Which command can be used to review the list running processes from the memory? Which command can be used to show processes in the parent-child relation format? Which command can be used to extract list of open TCP connection from the memory dump? What is the IP address of machine on which the memory dump was taken? Which command can identify which command can identify the application which are using the promiscuous side from the memory dump? Which command can be used to recover punch command history from the memory dump? So we have volatility to be invoked by using vol.py command. Volatility is installed in user local volatility. Volatility profile is exported in the volatility profile environment variable. So if we do volatility profile, we have the volatility profile. Okay, now which vol.py? Okay, we have 261. So vol info will be the which command is used to list all the profiles supported by volatility. All the profiles. So we have once again, now it better. So which profile? Nope, here are all the profiles. So info will be the command that dash info that shows us all the profiles. Yes. Okay. And by the way, we have the profile for Linux generic, what we saw in the environment variable. So let us do we have memory dump in here and Linux ps list process list, and just forgot the F flag for name, so it can be seen. Once again, and once again, maybe now we will have some better results. Yeah, can be seen, but better results. So we can see all the command that we are running on time of memory capturing. Okay, so now we can do this one, Linux info. This will be Linux CPU info. So if we get back in here, grep CPU, here we have the CPU. So it was CPU details, profile, we choose memory. Now list processes. Now if we grep process, so we have, now we can filter it by Linux. We don't need the Mac options, so list processes, no, list processes, list running processes. So we need running processes. Sharing credential, no, list loaded through SCA memory part relation without this one. PS hidden processes, print thread of process. So this will be PS list. So we don't have this one. PS3 PS list process PS list. Gather active task by walking through task structure. Task list. This is it. Task list. PS list. So now we need to get the process part relation without this one in show parent child relation between the processes. So PS3 So every dot is a process, and every two dots after the process will be his child process. Yes. So we have SSHD and we have his child in here, and we see the malware. So we got this malware from SSH. We can tell bash sudo su bash malware, and we got nc bash for this one. All this. Okay. Now we need connections. Linux on. Let's see what we got in here. ipconfig, gather active interfaces, carve for network connection structures. Let's scan. Let me put in here net real quick and see what we got. Okay. Verifies the operation function, progress of network protocols, list network filter hooks, net scan carves the list open sockets, connection, extract list of open TCP connections. This may be good. Next up. Oh my. Okay. So now we need IP address machine. What was the IP address of the machine on which memory dump was taken? So IP address of the machine, I guess we had gather active interfaces. This one. If config. If config. So my best guess, this one is the IP address of the machine. And now, which command can identify the application which are using promiscuous shard from the memory dump? So we have a couple options. Or something with mem bash recover no dump map, select memory mapping to the disk. So library dump, share dump, mount book, maps, list cache, recover, vol shell. Scan. So we need memory dump was taken. Nope. Memory dump. Identify application which are using rescue socket. Shortcut. So mem dump was not good enough, I guess. So we will go for sock. list application promiscuous seconds. So this is it. This is our guy. List row. Woohoo. Well, so the next DH client. Okay. Now next one will be next one and last one will be recover bash history. So east bash recover history from the bash memory. So bash okay. This is it. So we lime path from and then okay, that's it. The basics now are done. So this is the next library, basics 2. Here we have memory dump is provided in a home directory. You have to use volatility to analyze memory dump and answer following question. Process name malware was run on system. This binary was executed from which shell provide full path. Which DNS server was turning on system? What is the MAC address of the machine with IP address? This one. What was the memory dump taken? When was the memory dump taken? Provide date in this format. An SSH session was established with another machine. What is IP address of other machine? Cover the binary. Recover the binary of malware process from the memory dump. Let me see. So let me see. We have here CLI and we will find what we got. Memory dump image. So now the first question. A process named malware running on this binary was executed from which shell? Provide full path. Which shell? So vol f memory, I guess Linux, bash, so my guess is this is the path for a shell, or this is the history of the running, or we have PS3.1. Then we can see this bash. This is the bash. So we got edge bash sudo su change user. It's switch user bash. Okay. Now we have full path, DNS something, and we have DNS. Which DNS was turning on the system? Which DNS? So my guess will be info group IDNS. No. List. And will be grep Linux. Enumerate, no, row, filter, stop. Okay. Let me try. Wait, what? Let me try PS list. I have DNS. DNS. Okay. DNS masquerade. Okay. Now let me see real quick. Linux. What do we have here with Mac? LS Info Mini running machine. Nope. Add from address strings. Nope. Let me bring the net. Once again, we don't have anything. List. So let me see. All check. Verify the operation function. Nope. List filter. API hooks. Print up table. This may be it. Automatically detect ASLR. No. Okay. Best guess. This is it. Up. So we were asked this 8.206. This is the IP address. MAC address. Okay. Let me see the next question. When was the memory dump taken? Okay. Since we already printed everything, dump process executed image disk. Nope. Nope. PS recovery. Mimic. Nope. Bash. Recover history. Bash, maybe we need the bash one. Bash, and we will see the command that were executed. Lime in S mode. Here we got the memory. This is it. So this is it. 60 USC. Okay. Next one. Next stop. SSH was established with another machine. What is the IP of that machine? Best guess, it was net start. And now I will search for grep. I ignore the case sensitivity. SSH. Here we have this established SSHD and TCP SSHD. Oh, we got it established. This is it. This is the address. Next one, recover the binary for malware process. Let me see. Recover. Recover system. Cached. Entire cached file system. No. Recover process. Recover. Let me. We have recover and we have top memory. Recovers cache packets, routing, recovers files from the memory list. Find file. Recover file system. Lists and recovers files from. Okay, let me play with it. Find file help. Okay, now we need file path to file to find root location. Okay. Specify address. Let me. When can we get address for this one? List for all files is in memory. I will go with L option. Can take time. Always F find. Let me see how much time it will take, and then maybe I will switch to F flag and we'll find the file. okay, okay. We got something, not too much. My best guess is this is too much. Let me put it in all files txt. So now we can, I guess, see grep malware from all files. We got it two places, and now we can, what do we can? We can recover. Recovers pockets, lists and recovers files from memory. So we have lists and recovers. Let me real quick see the recovery option. Specify virtual address for this address. Copy data block. Force physical shift. Memory shift. Node. inode. And I don't. Let me try this one. Specify the KPC. Oh, KPC. Address. Let me see what's this. Okay. It's extension called kernel process control region. KPCRB. What's B stand for? Is located in virtual memory with hexadecimal. Pointer to is stored in KPCR. Okay. Now, if I want to recover this volatility recover file KPCR come on KPC find a so KPC off. I don't have it in here. Why are you bringing me? Bring it on. Okay. KPC or scan. Command checks set. Let me see. So K. If I malware, we have this one, And now what I want to do is to put in here K and do K with this one. I guess this one. Incorrect command given. Okay. Okay. Specify for G. So we have K and we have G. This one is G. Nope. Nope. G for you. Okay. So what else can I do for this one? DLL dump. Maybe dump. Dump process. BS list. Right? I guess I need only grep malware. Okay, which one? Which one? Oh, I guess I can take. Okay, let me see. So we have put dump help operate comma separate. Okay, okay. So I guess is what comma separated d dot directory. Okay, so P for process and then comma separated. P for process and we had process 34.7 and now D for dump D for dump in here. And then we got nothing. Okay, let me check real quick. Malware 1342. 1342. Okay, though. File malware executable. Okay, let me run string on this one real quick. Dummy fake result. Oh, We have persistent mechanism sending the interfaces raw whom I the full full information set up time and everything. Okay, that's it for the basic too. Let's get it on. Next law in this series, an unauthorized SSH as established with production 7 a suspicious program was executed on it. The memory dump of the server is given to you. You have the volatility to analyze memory dump and answer following questions. What is the name of suspicious program? What is the name of directory which suspicious program file is kept? What is the IP address machine from which SSH was initiated? Which language was used to write the suspicious program? Which virtualization environment was used to run these servers? Let me see. Okay, okay. Go. War memory networks and have PS3. This is it. We have in here. What do we have in here? What was the question again? What is the name suspicious program? Okay, let's see what is suspicious in here. Time register agent. See the I don't see anything suspicious in here. Whoopsie. Maybe whoopsie and see. The suspicious things in here. Maybe I will run it once again so we can see. More of these names. Whoopsie. Seems like legit whoopsie. I don't know. Gmine. Gmine. What do we have in here? There is pulse audio, texture, Windows, client bus, journal, Avahi, pocket. I don't know. I can give up on this one and get it on with it. I can't see anything suspicious that is identifiable besides whoopsie. Oh, here we go. Runtime. What is this runtime all about? SH Unity PL. Okay. So maybe runtime. Let me see the next one. What is the name directory which the suspicious program file is kept? So now we will go with the bash. Let's see what bash can offer. Download runtime. That's it. This is it. So this indeed is the baddie. What is the IP address of the machine from which SSH connection was initiated? And we got in here the next one. And let me grab SSH real quick. Here we go. This is the answer for our question. S of SSH. So now let me see this one. So we got which language was used to write suspicious program. Let me see real quick. PS list with grep run time. This is it. Let me proc dump p this one to d in here. No such option. P proc dump. No such pro dump. That's it. What do we have in here? File one time. What? Strings one time. Oh, here we go. Python. So let me grab real quick length 6 for this one. So we got flash. So this is for Python. Okay. That's it. Which visualization environment was used to run server? How do I get this one? So let me see real quick. No. All info grep virtual. So we have top virtual information. No. environment, maybe env. Let me see. Virtual strings. No, not this one. env. Here we go. Bash environment recover dynamic. PS gather process starting environment variables. Okay. Display environment variables. To run this server. What else do we have in Linux? What else do we have? Full shell, Yara. If config, provide no. API hooks, Solar, Bana. Okay, the message buffer. Let me see real quick the message buffer. DMSG grep I virtual. Let me see. This is it. VirtualBox. They've used VirtualBox. So this is it. The last one. In this section we are going further.